This might be now my favorite room. I'll be honest, I am panicking a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're jumping right back into the Bedroom Makeover series. I built these bedside tables. I'm actually really proud of them. And now it's time to finish them. So with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So my plan all along has been to paint these black. Once I built them, I will say I definitely thought about staining them. I think I just need to trust my gut and stick with my plan and go black. I'll be honest, I am panicking a little bit. The wood just looks so pretty, and seeing paint on it, I'm like, but I can't, I mean, I've already started, I can't. This is just primer. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. You wanna be pretty thorough with this step. If you think paint will hide imperfections, it definitely will not, I promise. You will see them. I wish you guys could feel this because it's so smooth compared to what it was before. Even if you're using like really nice wood and nice materials, like this is an important step. Okay, it's the next day. I went ahead and gave it like a really light sanding with just 220 grit sandpaper, and then went in with a second and final coat of the paint. So while that's drying, we're gonna work on the hardware. I was able to thrift these for 50 cents a piece. I'm using, again, my favorite product. I use this for so many projects, but it's called Rub and Buff. You can basically take like any material and make it look metallic and make it look almost like gold or brass or silver, whatever, you know, kind of shade that you want to proceed with. I love European gold. I think it gives it a really nice like aged brass look, and it also helps tone down gold. It's been a few days because I was waiting for a few items to arrive so that I can start kind of the install process, including this rug. Huge thank you to Quince for gifting me this rug. I also got a really cozy knit blanket, like throw, that I was like planning to use in this room, but it's like so soft and cozy that I actually want to keep it in our living room. I've been a big fan of Quince for a while now. What I love is they provide quality items at an affordable price tag. They basically do that by cutting out the middleman and using a factory direct model. So they're able to take those savings and pass it on to the consumer. You can actually see what the item that you're shopping for would normally retail for and like what you're paying for, so you can just see how much you're actually saving. So go check them out. I'll be sure to leave the links for the rug and throw blanket in the description. And FYI, if you do sign up for emails, you can get $20 off your first purchase. So even more savings. In terms of like decor, DIY flips, everything like that. However, I still feel like it's missing something. I do think I'm gonna do some picture frame molding. I feel like we're missing something. So as much as I hate to drag this out more, I think we're gonna add some more projects to this bedroom. So let's do this. The biggest piece of advice that I can give is to use a spacer. So this is 7 inches. Because once you know that one box is level, then you can just use the spacer the rest of the time and not really have to worry about measuring as much.
From dark and really dated to now bright, elegant, yet cozy, this room has been completely transformed and I am so obsessed. Like, this might be now my favorite room in our entire home. I'm just blown away. Like, I can't wrap my mind around that this is the same room from a few weeks ago. From building nightstands from scratch to adding trim to the walls, flipping furniture and adding some like charm and uniqueness, the coziest rug that kind of tied in all these colors, like such a perfect addition to this room. And guys, I'm just obsessed. I can't get over it. So safe to say, I love this transformation. I really hope you guys liked this episode and just this bedroom makeover series in general. If you need to catch up on any of the episodes, go check those out. I started posting on this channel earlier this year and it has been so fun, honestly. Like, it's really fun to like challenge myself with new projects and to bring you guys along with me. So thank you guys for watching and joining me. And if you guys want more DIYs and more room transformations, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you guys really soon. Alrighty.